All right, as it is, we have the roof of Essential Solar that is on fire. We intend at this time to ensure that the fire stays to just that area, because below that roof area is where the batteries are stored. And that is the area that we definitely don't want the fire to get to, because that can lead to explosions. As it is now, we have 5 units on location battling the blaze. They are strategically placed. We have units to the front, to the back, and to both sides to ensure that as the wind direction changes, we can attack the fire from that particular area and ensure that it doesn't get out of control.
Can you state what started the fire?
No, we don't know that yet. Investigations are the only thing that can prove that.
Anyone injured?
We have no reports of injuries or deaths.
For me, I was going to get water by the water cooler, and a man, I don't know if it's a patient or what, came in and said everybody have to come outside cause fire. Yes. When I heard that, I said, I go check first, because him said next door. I go outside, I must see. Then me hear, oh, the fire is actually upstairs. So I went inside to call back everybody from around the back. The patients, tell them they have to come out. I called the doctor. I called the other doctors, tell them come out. And then I called Warren last time, the dead brown at the back part. And then I came outside. When we come outside, fire just catch the top.
Fire
at the side coming up with the smoke, and then it just catch the top. So, yeah, it was. But I think everybody came out in time. Nobody was hurt. Probably the only thing was maybe the smoke affected a lot of people, for those who have asthma or, shorter breath and stuff like that. But everybody rushed out because the smoke was very bad.
When I heard fire, when I come outside, when I look at the side there, I see smoke and just a small little fire at the side of the building. So when I go back inside to call my co-worker them and take up my bag, when we come back out, it's just blazing up big, and it just engulfed the whole upstairs. Huge fire. It was really, really bad.